We are going to bring Philadelphia foods and foodways to life based on the paper trails. Following the Civil War, trade cards, printed menus, that type of paper trail becomes very, very common, and it becomes much more elaborate.
For the first session, we're going to focus on menus between 1850 to 1890 something or other. And we're going to spend some time chatting about the menus, what it means for people's social experience. And then we're going to have some historical snacks. And for the second session, we're going to talk about trade cards. Tagline for this session is "The eye eats first." So everyone's going to come look and eat with their eyes, and some history of color lithography. And then for the third session, we're going to be looking at food innovations during the centennial.
The old Philadelphia thing was Quaker pound cake or Quaker fruit cake and rose champagne. Why not do rose champagne?
Come for the culinary history and stay for the historical snacks.